Lumphel Police freezes financial and various other operations of Salai Holdings Private Limited from today. Vice Chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited assures of security to the company's investors and resumption of transactions at the earliest. Volunteers of 6 student bodies tried to storm Imphal International Airport against massive deployment of armed forces in educational institutions. Manipur Human Rights Commission seeks report from relevant authorities on reasons for deployment of armed forces at educational institutions by November 9. Chief Minister N. Biren meets administrators of various social media groups and pages, assures that centre will not disintegrate Manipur. And Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar appeals to Kokomi to withdraw, demanding disclosure of final agreement of Indo-Naga peace talks by November 4. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Lumphel Police froze financial operations of Salai Holdings Private Limited from today. The action followed the recent notification by Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren to investigate against former chairman cum director of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Narengbam Samajit, who unconstitutionally declared independence of Manipur from India and formation of government in exile in Britain called the Manipur State Council on October 29. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren had earlier announced that Imphal West Police has filed FIR against Narengbam Samajit and Yambem Biren, and that after thorough investigations by Special Investigation Team of Manipur Police, the case will be further handed over to National Investigation Agency, the NIA. Other non-financial related operations of Salai Holdings Private Limited have also been sealed until the investigation ends. Investors at Salai Holdings Private Limited are gripped in fear over losing their invested funds owing to the prevailing situation. Meanwhile, the company has notified that its financial transactions were seized temporarily in the wake of the ongoing investigations and assured of not betraying the investors. It further appeals to the people to extend cooperation.
Government की माइके दगी कोई नतसेंगना रिक्वेस्ट तौजनिंग बदी government दा सिदा अखोइन इन्वेस्ट तौजरिबा मयाम से अखोइ लैदना तौबदी नते मसिना लाइफलाइन ओइबा मेंबर कया अमा यावरी मसिना कनागुंबा खरगी अंगांगी फी होली कनागुंबा खरगिना इमुंग पुनरी कनागुंबा खरगिना अना लायंगबगी सुमाइन तौदना लाइफलाइन ओइबा मेंबर मयाम अमा यावरी ngarang khakte invest तौरगा दरकार लेबा अदुगुंबा मागी अचिनबदो अजुगी दमकता अखोइ प्लान तौरगा माइ प्लानिंग अमंता तौरिबा मयाम अमनी मेंबर सिंग चेयरमैन सिंग मोहिदा केस अमा लेरे हाबदी अखोइ अदु मीडिया थ्रू दगी खंगसु खंगे अदु मसिना मरम ओरगा अखोइगी मेंबर मयाम दा सितनतना अतोप मेंबर सिंग दा सरांग लैरिबा कया से मसिदी अखोइ अतोप अल्टरनेटिव वे मा गवर्नमेंट की माइके दगी अमसुंग मखोइगी सलाइगी फाउंडेशन मेंबर सिंग अथु मतम दा याना बम पुरागा अखोइगे सरांग नबा से अथु मतम दा को अन बिहान अखोइ गवर्नमेंट दा रिक्वेस्ट तौजरी.
Vice Chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Narengbam Bishorjit, has assured that not a single penny of the company's investors will be lost. He further asserted that financial transactions will resume soon after completion of the ongoing police investigation upon the company. Speaking to media at an undisclosed location in Imphal West today, Bishorjit appeals to shareholders and investors of the company not to panic over the situation brought on by recent declaration of separation of Manipur from India in London on October 29 by former Managing Director of Salai Holdings Private Limited, N. Samajit. He reminded that N. Samajit has been already expelled from the company.
ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯁꯦꯟꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯖꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯛ ꯍꯣꯜꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯌꯔ ꯍꯣꯜꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯔꯥꯏꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯖꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯇꯨꯡ ꯀꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯁꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯀꯨꯟꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝ ꯆꯍꯤ 2035 ꯌꯧꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯃꯪꯐꯥꯎꯃꯤꯟꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞꯀ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯐꯥꯊꯕꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯅꯣꯂꯨꯛꯅ ꯁꯂꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯂꯨꯛꯅ ꯍꯪꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ
6 student bodies of the state, namely AMSU, MSF, DESAM, KSA, SUK and AIMS, have expressed apprehension over a deployment of massive central paramilitary forces at educational institutions, even though the government has reassured that the final agreement of Indo-Naga peace talks will not harm Manipur. Student protesters tried to storm Imphal International Airport this afternoon, condemning that security forces are being ferried in the state via air route. However, massive Imphal West police personnel led by Imphal West Additional SP Operations L. Amarjeet halted the protesters. Speaking on the sidelines, DESAM Assistant General Secretary Laishangtem Lamyanba stated that the 6 student bodies agitated against ongoing massive deployment of Central Armed Forces and stationing of Indian Air Force fighter jet in the state. He warned of intense agitation by the students' community if the armed forces deployed at educational institutions are not removed at the earliest.
अखोई मणिपुर यूनिवर्सिटी की कैंपस मनुंगदसु अखोई लानमी की कैंप थमजलक असम की राइफल की कैंप से हांदगी हौना थमजलगसु लाइ मसिग से हौजा तेंगां कयादा लेप लेतना अखोई की एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन सिंग से मसेद लानमी की कैंप सम थमजलक कान अखोई की लेपाक से दा मखोइना येंगलिबा अखोई मिलिटराइज जोन अमो ओइना येंगलिबा मिडियंग से करिनो हाइबसिनिदा अखोई की लेपाक से मसि लानफम ओइगद्रा हाइबि अकीबम खक्सुलै मरम मतुना हाइरिबा सोलुशन अमका पुरकप मतमदा अखोई की पीसफुल ओइना पुरकप तारगदे अखोई याइ मदु नतबिदा मणिपुर की मियाम कीरसनु हाइबि की मतागुमना लान से नगदबिबा दुगुम खुजु खुलाई म्याम क पुसलकपा अदगि इवन फाइटर जेट फाउबा हंगान दा लेप लेतना पाइरगा अखोई अकीबम खक पोलिबसा मसे अखोई लेपाक से लानफम ओंथोक पिगनो
Manipur Human Rights Commission MHRC has given a deadline of November 9 to State Principal Secretary Home and DCs for submission of a report explaining the reasons behind deployment of massive central paramilitary forces at some educational institutions of Imphal city. Speaking to media at MHRC office in Lamphel Court Complex today, MHRC acting chairperson Khaidem Mani said that 8 people have filed complaints at the commission that deployment of paramilitary forces at Modern College, Maharaja Bodhachandra College and at DM University campus will be harmful for the academic atmosphere. He asserted that proceedings of the complaint petitions have been carried out and that the relevant authorities have been directed to probe the situation and to submit a report latest by November 9. Khaidem Mani maintained that further necessary proceedings will be carried out after getting the report.
Prayer da Hairibidi, Principal Secretary Home da Government of Manipur da Kudakta paramilitary amasung military forces singsa educational institution dagi lokthok kadabani lokthok naba direction PBU haiba ama Principal Secretary Home Government of Manipur da asumaina pusil allemise satragi institution da military forces thamjilibise si mathakta ain jo action lokanaba recommendation ama tawbiu haibani district magistrate punamakta Manipur gi Kudakta magi orders se revoke to view, revoke to Honaba recommend to view Hibani. Hiriba Mayam see the Kupna, Commission Kalabagi Tunda, Karigumba, Army na Tamdaragana Tamdarea to Tamama Pondal Ramagadi. Hiriba sing say, Mazigi report Amatang Mapan Bogi Manunda Commission the Pirakadabani. Hibani.
Chief Minister Nongthungmam Biren expressed firm belief that centre will not disintegrate Manipur. He reiterated that interests of stakeholder states will be considered before inking the final settlement of Indo-Naga peace talks. Biren further asserted that the state government is with the people of Manipur in striving towards protection of the territorial integrity of the state. Speaking to administrators of various social media groups and pages at Chief Minister's Darbar Hall this morning, Chief Chief Minister N. Biren further clarified that Central Armed Forces stationed at some educational institutions of Imphal City are the personnel from the state who were utilized during Assam NRC updating and the recent Haryana Assembly elections. He maintained that the personnel returned from their duties and that they are taking temporary refuge at the educational institutions due to lack of adequate accommodation in their barracks. Biren stated that many personnel have started moving towards their respective barrack.
Manipur Miyam ki mihunni khoi Miyam na khallaga thambi bani Miyam na Manipur kaiba pamdaba adugumna ikhoi shu Manipur paiba kamde Manipur kaiba yaroi Manipur ki apunba saktam hiram amata da kaiba yaroi haibasi ikhoi ki government amade Miyam ki apambani central government nasu madu Manipur ki apunba saktam kahelloi haibasi assurance ka pirakre aduna I firmly believe ana Miyam su madu ki momentum timing do ngai minnasi yang minnasi santi oina lei minnasi leisi haidana yapil tongi.
Chief Minister N. Biren also announced that the state government will award those social media groups and pages playing crucial roles in bringing communal harmony in the state. On the other hand, he warned of legal actions against those fake Facebook account holders who ignite communal tensions. Administrators and members of various page and groups of Facebook and WhatsApp based in Manipur attended the interactive session held on the theme Explore Ways for Constructive Use of Social Media. State Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu and Director General of Manipur Police L.M. Kaute also attended the program. OC of Manipur Police Cybercrime N. John enlightened the attendees on proper and improper contents for posting on social media. He also stressed on the legal punishments awaiting abusers of social media platforms who create social disharmony. Administrators of various social media groups and pages shared their opinions at the event.
Zat bizat naidaba apunba Manipur amagi saktam da wak tobo ngamjariba ngamaiba potpun maksi lebiriba media gi sel now aduga social media bu handle to biriba admin no biriba senariba action now singi mateng dagi sigi stage yobuni ona makhata na aina ngasi interaction tawna bada lakpiriba mayam dagi maru oiba knowledge information kaya ama aikhoida pirame aduga Aikoinasu, Makoida Tahoningba, Mayama Haikre, Mayam the Gisu, Moida Karikari, grievances, problem like Habedu, Kaminare, and the Sugumba, interaction, Aikoimasel Gemarakta, Bob Hoguna Basina. I firmly believe that our state will go march ahead peacefully.
Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar has appealed to Kokomi to withdraw their demand for disclosure of the final settlement of Indo-Naga peace talks by November 4. Speaking to media at his office chamber in New Secretariat Babupara today, in the presence of representatives of BJP, P. Sarachandra, Congress Party, K.H. Devabrata, and LJP and Ibohal, Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar said that the final agreement is still pending and nothing is finalized yet. He reminded that a recent PIB report clearly stated that interest of the stakeholder states of Manipur, Assam, Tripura, and Arunachal Pradesh will be taken into confidence before signing the final agreement. He added that the same was assured by Union Home Minister Amit Shah to the all political party delegation team.
Some sort of understanding like beginning when a Pangbo flag matang constitution give matam Maduna blockade or NSNM Yoro Kolo Gaina Tormado Madugida Yanaba Kitan Kanom for Kre Habi one. I do not have them Sigi finalize or record Habi could be powerfully take Aduga Aduna Pilton is it today the ultimatum Karikasu Pina Davida ultimatum period of Hojika Tangmari Hong the ship Koto and quick saying that Kasuputopunga among the kind of potu later when you cry the quick putokatin. A putopum then say that various kind of hesitation of the cotton to Tagadi. Say that Karikana do I am the appeal to Madu Torga, a coin machine can't be filmed the Lakani. A coin of demand of the Shiputo Koto, I say, Masi the Dikitan, a coin handoxi.
Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar further added that the situation will not get better with agitation. He maintained that even political leaders are not at rest due to fear of outburst of a communal riot and harm to the territorial integrity of Manipur. He appeals to people not to spread rumors on social media which might lead to communal riot.
Karigumba masina ekoi Manipugi ngamkai the natan various ekoi no demand to isi territorial the native administrative and political integrity suni aduna to mayamam yauri koi masida pn the ba yoraba sopa kana to yorgadi ekoi chapchaba koi lobhom to government sina pirep loguni hebse aisma thamjage.
Manipur People's Party MPP has expressed faith in the assurances given by the Union Home Minister and the Dona Minister about consulting the stakeholder states of Assam, Manipur, Tripura and Arunachal Pradesh before inking the final agreement of Indo-Naga peace talks. The party has also appreciated Kokomi for demanding disclosure of the final agreement. Speaking to media at MPP office near Imphal Polo Ground today, party president O. Jugindro strongly condemns the former Maharashtra governor cum veteran politician S.C. Jamir for recently stating that Nagas of Assam, Manipur and Arunachal Pradesh are not the indigenous Nagas of Nagaland.
India the Ladiva state, Kumapan Gimunga, state Taret Amadi, Legislative Council lay. Legislative Council na Consenbe Adaba Port Amatalite, Governor appoint over Legislative Assembly Hapayaba, my percentage, Masana composition of the Legislative Council lay, Masida, Tankul Singh, Kabui Singh, Mao Degi, Maram Degi, Pongmui Degi, Ladiva Amadi, Cookie Group Degi. Group Kudimak say Masi Lona Consenbeaba. Ama, picture Gasu Manipur say, Mini India Webinina. Ariva, Mini India says Teda. Sapsana, Maharashtra Leva, Telangana Leva, Andhra Pradesh Leva, Sumaina, Akoizu Legislative Council, same Makanda, Akoina big bladder Amona, Akoi treat to Wasunguni have a say Manipur party Tamzage.
DIPR will hold a 15-day short-term course on impact of social media at More College from November 4 to 18. Eligibility criteria to participate in the course is class 12 pass with basic computer knowledge. Interested candidates may approach DIPR Kashampad office or More College. Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS in a press release informed that the Cine Artists Welfare Fund of India, a trust managed by National Film Development Corporation India NFDC Limited, is inviting fresh application from Cine Artists of the state for financial assistance for the year 2020 to 2021. Interested candidates may collect the prescribed application form from MSFDS office, Palace Gate, Imphal, and submit the application latest by November 30. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on distribution of Mura buffalo to beneficiaries by Department of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Department of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry distributed pregnant Mura buffalo to beneficiaries for second phase of adoption of milch Mura buffalo in and around Loktak Lake project under the aegis of Northeast Council NEC today. Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department Dr. H. Chauba and Joint Director of the Planning Department Kulkarni Ningthaujam distributed 30 buffaloes to 30 farmers of Imphal West District at Integrated Cattle Development Program Complex in Porampat. Speaking on the occasion, Director C.H. Chauba stated that buffaloes will be also distributed to beneficiaries of Churachandpur, Bishnupur, Senapati and Loktak Lake areas latest by this November. He urged the beneficiaries not to sell off the buffaloes before completion of the project. He asserted that Mura buffalo is a high-quality breed mainly kept for milk production. Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department Joint Director Planning C.H. Nandakishore, Joint Director Administration N.G. Ibotombi and other relevant officials took part in the event.
Iroisi Pangbiriba, farmers sing Lomi sing out sing, Marmopang sing, the Queen and Sing Janimasi, Masi Yamayam Yamba, can quick liveline of Wayaba, Adumba, Canoni, Apava, Iroin Queen Pizzerise, Mayam the Kambiga Doba Mana, Liba Quay beneficiary sing Siga undertaking a Maquinas Lose, Quay projects in Louis Manunda, Iroisi on Baya de, Yolagadi, Quayamu, Garna, Moidagi, Matkani, Lokutkani, and Aquina undertaking a Momoy, Quay Lonaze, Quay physiologically, Quay Iroisi, Hanba Pope, the Toy was Hangum Siga, second come Dr. Kramu Hangalakani, ready Tarda Somu Hangalakani.
Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham inspected the implementation of No School Bag Day at Budhi Manjuri High School in Oripok today. The minister came across students and teachers of the school carrying out arts and craft works. The education minister instructed the teachers to keep motivating the students. Group of aspirants, Manipur Public Service Commission MPSC 2016 warned of filing a complaint at the High Court of Manipur if the state government fails to convert the High Court's order into actions. It may be mentioned that Manipur Civil Services Combined Competitive Mains Examination 2016 conducted by Manipur Public Service Commission MPSC and its subsequent appointments were quashed by the High Court of Manipur on October 18. Speaking to media at an undisclosed location in Lamphel today, a spokesperson of group of aspirants, Kaisham Kishan, said that social workers Chongtham Bijoy and Oinam Kamini Kumar from Lamphel extended assistance, including financial assistance, to the group in their strive against corruption. He asserted that they will fight the case even at the Supreme Court until justice is delivered.
Honorable High Court ki Justice Nobin Namadi Justice Zamirna Right Tabaze koi Principal of Justice the Yang Adi Yamtim Penje CBI ki inquiry to was a Ahaman Haitare Manipur ki history da di MPSC gumbo office amada to was a Simadi Koyamna Taram no Masina CBI inquiry to was in the MPSC je Amot Pagel de Panam di Chengdoni Hibazigi Tazabale Haitare. Duka Hausi Hosik Okogi case as Loy Banatishing Hairagadi Supreme Court Chowa struggle Amasul lady. Sidazu Uncle na Koidum. Adum tana kona dana koida dum mating panam pangbiri aduga hojiju dum akana angamba mating mayama pangbigani haibe khoju thajabale du pangani khoidu haibiri.
Taking part in the press meet, social worker Chongtham Bijoy said that not only bribery but even using unfair means to achieve something is also corruption. Calling the group of aspirants the true gems of Manipur, Chongtham Bijoy appeals to support the initiatives of the group of aspirants.
Aina moise lamkhang da to kidrai nam pakhalai maramdi corruption jigi for the lepi ba kangbu se yam powerful group ne je khange ba moida talan da ba ragi paisa wan da ba discourage to da ba mayam je ubnina moi to kine ya paksagi ba ado aina mo khoida yam chawna paisa no sai mateng pa mangam da to tna ba ngal le tna cancel conject to na ngarang han high court ki order je phangu matam da ai ajo ba success mai pak pane logje moi hojik makchu moi Supreme Court mu pubide ni moi appeal to bonata ba atau party na tarpure ni moi India di duk sang struggle do paisa khara le hugda bagi akoi longkhang da akoi mangan ning di ba.
Communist Party of India Manipur State Council has condoled the demise of former CPI Deputy General Secretary cum former MP of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha CPI leader Comrade Gurudas Das Gupta. Workers of CPI and women vendors of Kweramban Market paid 2-minute silence as a mark of respect for the departed soul at the condolence meet held at Iravat Bhavan, Imphal.
भारत की अमसुंग बेंगोल की खक्तनतना मणिपुर की मणिपुरी लोन निपान सुबह शेड्यूल चन्ननबा माना तौजरंबा अदुम थबक सिंगदु निंगजंगोइना नान असि लेखिदरब मतुंगदा अकोई पार्टी की स्टेट असि किसु पार्टी की फिरान असि हा मास तौदुना अवाब फोंदोक्तुना महाकी मफमदा इकाई खुमनबो उतली लोइना लोइना महाकी पुंसी की लैरिबा वारी सिंगुल कया मांगना तौजरंबा ट्रेड यूनियन निस अमा ओइना महागना अकोई लेबर सिंगी अमसुंग सिनबी कया की अदुम कया तौजरंबा अदुम सिंग माई पुंसी वारी कया लीबग लोइना ngasi irabot bhavan asida mahakna taujaramba thabak sing adu ningchengba loinana condolence mifam asida pangthokhi.
The Rural Library Center, Arapti, in a press release has condoled the untimely demise of former senior advisor of Rural Library Arapti, cum a former senior officer of AG Imphal, Konthaujam Ibo Chauba from Arapti, Mayailekai, who passed away in a road mishap on October 31st. Late Ibo Chauba also worked for Arapti Development Association Arapti, Ireima Harauba Committee and Manipur Women Football Association. Assam Rifles Public School Mantri Pukri distributed school uniforms to underprivileged students at the school campus today. A total of 26 meritorious below poverty line BPL students of class 6 to 11 of the school received the uniforms. The students thanked Assam Rifles for their efforts. Uniforms were also distributed to NCC cadets of the school on the occasion. Regional President ARWWA IGAR South Rachna Singh, School Management Committee, Principal and staffs attended the event. Residents of Molbem village in Singat Assembly constituency along with authorities of Blood Bank District Hospital in Churachandpur district organized a voluntary blood donation camp today. The camp aims to create awareness on the significance of blood donation in saving lives. Singat MLA GS Haupu interacted with donors at the camp. More than 40 volunteers donated blood at the camp. Thoubal District Police, under the initiative of SP Dr. S. Bomcha, held post-Ningol Chakoba celebrations in the district today. Many women folks from various communities of Thoubal District feasted together at Thoubal District Police Complex. Police personnel presented gifts to the women folks after the feast. Now the sports news. Manipur player Mairaba Luwang has bagged the championship title of under-19 men's single in BWF Korea Junior Open International 2019. Badminton Korea Association organized the tournament under the Badminton World Federation and Badminton Asian Confederation at Miryang, South Korea since October 27. The tournament will continue till November 3. International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA appeals to carry out fair and transparent selection trials to select participants of the upcoming 19th Sub-Junior Wushu Championship in Kolkata. Speaking to media at IPSA office in Kashampa today, Information and Public Relations Secretary of IPSA S. Tombisana expressed disappointment over recent media announcement by an undisclosed self-claimed Secretary of Wushu Association Manipur, who denied knowing the ad hoc President and Secretary of the association. He warned him to clarify the matter at the earliest. It may be mentioned that Wushu Association Manipur is organizing selection trials for the championship at Kuman Lampak Wushu RCC Hall on November 3 and 4.
Ifsana achumba warep ama lawduna lepak miyamda masak takraba miyoy amana association amana lorokpa warepo samamna haliba masak lotpa secretary asi Pauchegi Kuthangda Soikre Haina Sengdokadabari Amadi Ipsagi head office Laktuna Wakal Taminanaba Tanja Pizari Wisugi Sanaroi Amadi Lepak Miamgi Bafumda Samam Nava Pon Bagi Tabak Tawidanaba Ipsagi Maiki Dagi Ningsing Jari.
Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Lumphel Police freezes financial and various other operations of Salai Holdings Private Limited from today. Vice Chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited assures of security to the company's investors and resumption of transactions at the earliest. Volunteers of 6 student bodies tried to storm Imphal International Airport against massive deployment of armed forces in educational institutions. Manipur Human Rights Commission seeks report from relevant authorities on reasons for deployment of armed forces at educational institutions by November 9. Chief Minister N. Biren meets administrators of various social media groups and pages, assures that center will not disintegrate Manipur. And Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar appeals to Kokomi to withdraw, demanding disclosure of final agreement of Indo-Naga peace talks by November 4.